when should I stop PPC campaigns and what happens if I do? You should stop any campaign that is within the account if it's not profitable. By profitable, meaning that you should be knowing your break-even cost, you should be knowing how much you're willing to pay for ads, and you should be knowing the strategy. If you're in product launch phase, there's no such thing on becoming profitable right away in the one freaking campaign. So knowing that is going to help you decide when to stop it. When else should you stop a PPC campaign? If you're out of stock or if you're about to get out of stock, the campaign or the product itself within the campaign should not be running, should not be enabled. Why? It's because you're still generating traffic towards a listing that is not fulfillable at the moment or closest to someone's desire to purchase the product. Those are the two things that I'm seeing. And 3, if this was set up a long time ago, is not within the strategy that you have for the account currently, and it's just wasting money. Even if it's the one click, if it's not bringing any more sales, you should be thinking of simply pausing the campaign.